Hello, this is Amber with WaveRez, and we're going to go over how to change the departure time, day, or the duration of the trip inside of an existing order. Now, these things can be all changed individually or changed all at once as well, but we'll go over each one. So once you get into an order, you're going to be on the overview screen. You're going to want to go ahead and click onto the trips page. Once here, you'll see the trip information. So find the one that you want to edit. We're just going to edit this first one for today. So if you wanted to change the arrival date, say we wanted to move it to a new date, we could go ahead and change that here by just clicking here and then clicking save on the order. So now if we go back to the trips page, we'll see that it's changed to tomorrow instead of today. Now, if we wanted to change the date and time, we can edit those both at the same time, but for this instance, I'm just going to show you how to change the time. So you hit the drop down, it'll show you the available times. Go ahead and click on 10 a.m. We want to move it to a little later in the day. Then we click save. It's going to go ahead and save that for us. So now we have 10 a.m. for tomorrow. If you wanted to change the equipment, that is also available here. So you can swap the equipment to another one if needed. Now, if you wanted to change the duration of the trip, usually that's going to be a ticket status change. So if you go down to tickets, let's say we want to move it down to a half-day rental instead of a full-day rental, we can go ahead and change to a half-day rental. And that's not available at that time. See, that's letting you know that that particular duration is not available at that time. So we'll go ahead and move it back to 9 a.m. for today and click save. Now, if we go back to the trips page, we're going to see that it also allowed me to save that half day rental as well, since I made that selection earlier and it wouldn't let me save it. But everything that you change on this screen and then hit save, if it allows you to change it because of availability, it will go ahead and change. If not, it will give you an error like you saw before to let you know that that particular ticket type is not available at that time.